My name is Arif Satya Kusumajati. I am from Pupukujan Cikampek Elementary School. I will tell you my impression being a student in Pupukujan Cikampek Elementary School. I'm feeling happy being a student in Pupukujan Cikampek Elementary School. The funniest moment in Pupukujan Cikampek Elementary School is when I'm playing with my friend and my pen is torn. The moment when I'm feeling proud to be a student in Pupukujan Cikampek Elementary School is when I was appointed in the English competition. My best friend is Rado. My favorite food in canteen is risol because risol is good. My favorite subject is English. The funniest friend in school is Faang or Farhan. The hardest thing I have done in school is when I joined the math test and my score is good. My favorite place in school is in the class. My favorite thing to do at school is playing Uno with friends. I will describing 3 words for Pupukujan Cikampek Elementary School. The word is very good, champion, and clean. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.